Hello Primary 3, Miss Hiba Ahmed here with you. Today we will take part 1 from lesson 4, which is talking about measurement. What is the meaning of measurement? Okay, if you have a pencil and you want to know the tool or the length, tool meaning length, the length of this pencil, you will get the ruler and measure the length of the pencil. It will be like 6 centimeters. So you measure the length of the pencil and it was 6 centimeters. Okay? Okay. You want to measure the mass of your body. You will get a scale and measure the mass of your body. It will be 50 kilograms. So you measure the length of the pencil and it was 6 centimeters. You measure the mass of your body and it was 50 kilograms. Okay? You want to measure the temperature of your body. You don't feel well and you feel that your temperature is high, so you will get the thermometer in this picture and you will measure the temperature of your body. It will be 37 degrees. So the length here, you measure the length and it was 6 centimeters. You measure here the mass and it was 50 kilograms. You measure here the temperature of your body and it was 37. As you can see, we said 6 centimeters, we said 50 kilograms, we said 37 degrees. So we said numbers. So when we measure anything, it means numbers. So measurement, it's the number. So measurement, it's the number. It's the number that shows size or amount, okay? When you measure the length of the pencil here, you measure the size of the pencil. When you measure how tall are you, or you measure the length of your body, you measure the size of your body, okay? When you measure here the mass of your body, or you measure some tomato, some apple, okay? So you are measuring the amount of the apple, okay? So measurement, it's the number that shows size or amount. One more time, measurement, it's the number that shows size or amount. When I said measurement or when I said the word measure, it means number. It means number. Okay, we will learn in this lesson to measure many things as length, okay, mass and temperature. Okay, let's start with the length. What is the meaning of length? Length means how tall. Length means tall. When I said that this ruler is 20 centimeter, meaning that the length of this ruler is 20 centimeter, or the tall of this ruler is 20 centimeters. So length means tall. Okay, okay. I have a pencil here and I want to measure the length or the tall of this pencil. I will use what? Can you tell me? Yes, very good. I will use the ruler. The ruler is called measuring tool. The ruler is called measuring tool. Okay? Okay. I have here a playground. Okay, as you play, it's the place that you play a ball in it. Okay, with your friend. Okay. I want to measure the length of this playground. I will use the ruler. No. Okay, I'll use another tool, which is measuring tape. Measuring tape. So the measuring tools of the length are ruler and tape. One more time. The measuring tools of the length are ruler and tape. We can set measuring tape or we can set tape. Both of them are right. Okay? Okay. So we use the ruler to measure short distance, okay, or short objects. We measure the tape to measure long distance or long objects. Okay, I have a door and I want to measure the length of the door. I will use the ruler or the tape. Very good. I will use the tape. Okay, I want to measure the length of my mobile. I will use the ruler or the tape. Very good. I will use the ruler. So we use the ruler to measure short distance or short objects, okay, or short lengths. and we use the tape to measure long distance or long objects. Okay? Okay. What is the meaning of measuring tools? Measuring tools of length or mass or temperature, it means the objects that are used to measure the length. Measuring tools of length, it means that the objects are used to measure the length. I use the ruler to measure the length. I use the tape to measure the length. That's the meaning of tools. Okay? Okay. What is the meaning of measuring units? As you can see, the measuring units of length are centimeter, meter, kilometer. What is the meaning of units? Units are symbols. Okay, it's just symbols like centimeter, meter, kilometer. If I told you about the mass, kilogram and gram. Okay, okay. Let's see this page. Okay. I have here 10 centimeter, 10 kilogram, 10 degree. Okay? Okay. What is the meaning of 10 centimeter? What is the meaning of 10 kilogram? And what is the meaning of 10 degree? The centimeter, okay, it's the unit for measuring the length. So the unit is a symbol that allow us to know what I am measuring. Okay, if I said this pen is 10 centimeter, I don't need to tell you that the length of this pen is 10 centimeter. When I said centimeter, you know that I am measuring the length. So units are symbols that allow us to know what I am measuring. I'm measuring length, or I am measuring mass, or I am measuring temperature. Here 10 kilogram. Kilogram is a unit for measuring the mass. When I told you that this thing is 10 kilogram, I don't need to tell you that the mass is 10 kilogram. When I see kilogram, so I know that I am measuring the mass. And also degree, it's the unit for measuring the temperature. So the units are symbols that allow us to know what I am measuring. Okay? The measuring units of length are centimeter, meter, kilometer. One more time. Centimeter, meter, kilometer. Centimeter is the smallest unit for measuring the length. Meter, it's bigger than centimeter, but the kilometer is the biggest unit for measuring the length. Here in this page, okay, I want to measure the length of this pencil, sorry. Okay, I will use the unit centimeter or meter or kilometer. Very good, I will use the centimeter. I want to measure the length of this playground. I will use which unit? Very good, meter. I want to measure the length of this road, the road between Alexandria and Cairo. I will use which unit? Kilometer. Very good. So, don't forget, we take today the length. Length meaning tool. The measuring tools of the length are ruler and tape. Ruler for short distance and tape for long distance. The measuring units for the length are centimeter, meter, kilometer. Okay? Okay. And don't forget, 1 kilometer equal 1000 meter. But 1 meter equal 100 centimeter. 1 kilometer equal 100,000 centimeter. Okay, thank you for listening. Primary 3, Miss Hiba Ahmed was with you.